Ladies and gents, welcome back. Another beautiful day out here. Can't be thankful enough that the heat is kind of chilling out. It's only like, let's see, 83. It's only 83 today, which yesterday 96. So that's why there was no video, because it was too hot to do anything besides work on the computer. But today, let's see what we're getting into. First things first, I want to throw the tail light on the Dyna so we can ride that. And I just got off the phone with Hughes Bultaco, my favorite people when I can get a hold of them. And they're gonna help me out big time with the wheels. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to tear the wheels down and polish the hubs and maybe do some powder coating. I want to look at it a little bit closer. And we're going to just send them the hubs, and they're going to build wheels for us and send them back. They also said that he thinks that he has axles, so fingers crossed, because that is a huge deal. There is stuff on eBay, but unfortunately, not everybody's super clear on what it fits and how all that good stuff, and I don't like wasting money, so I'm going to send it to Hughes. They know their stuff, and they're going to take care of it. So that's exciting. So first things third, this is the new tail light scored on the old eBays. The old guy, and she broke in both spots, but it's just held in with a screw. We're gonna pop that out, and I don't think that I have to take the tire off. I'm really not wanting to do that, so I think we can do it without taking the tire off. So here we got some of the parts for the Bultaco, and I am going to strip these bad boys. This one is really nasty, and I don't even really, I kind of know where it goes, but obviously like a chain, it's like a chain guide on there, but man, that thing is nasty. But yeah, we got good old aircraft stripper. Stuff works awesome. So let's do a little painting. Well, got all the stuff stripped and cleaned up. These bolts actually came out pretty nice. But I think we're gonna have to hit these with a little bit of black. So here's the old wheels, and you can see the rim is totally destroyed. And the easiest way really to take these apart is to just cut the spokes. It's by far the easiest. That way I don't even have to try to take these old tires off the rim. Everything's garbage except for the hub, so I'm just gonna cut it up. Well, it got hot real fast, but yeah, I got those things cut up. I am sweating though, big time. We got our hubs here, a little corrosion, not too bad. I did notice something kind of interesting. The back wheel, the spokes are thicker than on the front wheel. That's kind of strange. After a ton of elbow grease, got the hubs pretty well cleaned up. I'm gonna try and polish these areas here and then just powder coat everything else. Alright guys, check the hubs out. Got a nice polish on these bad boys, and hopefully tomorrow, at least over the weekend, because I want to get them shipped out on Monday, but we need to do some powder coating. But I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. They cleaned up really nice, especially considering how bad of condition that they were in. Alright guys, as always, thanks for tuning in. We knocked those hubs out, at least the polishing part. Like I said, we still have to powder coat them, but we're getting there, making every day we're making progress, which is a big deal, and that Bultaco will be done before we know it. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But yeah, like I said, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe while you're here, and we'll see you on the next one.